Hi community, this is my new app JIRISReport. This is a new tool to allows you create, execute Jasper reports on InterSystems IRIS. Jasper reports is a reporting and analytic tool that allows you create drag and drop reports with no code. Is a no code report product, very popular in Java. And we have a community and commercial edition. You can use community edition commercially, but you don't have commercial support. But is a very powerful tool, and you can use community edition for professional projects too. Okay, Jasper reports is very used in Java applications to print reports in PDF, HTML, and other formats from any JDBC database. Okay. So I show you how to use my tool. Okay, JIRISReport can generate PDF, Word, Excel, HTML reports. But to create a new report, you need to use JasperStudio. That is the IDE and the designer application for create reports. So when you design a new report, you generate a JRXML file, and with this file you run this file inside InterSystems IRIS and get reports in PDF or other formats. Okay, so the first task for you is download JasperStudio Community Edition. Okay, first step. Okay, and this is the link. Download JasperReports Business Intelligence Suite. This last option, JasperStudio C Community Edition. You click download, continue to download, and select installation file for specific for your operation systems. We have options for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. And Mac. So, I downloaded my version for Windows, installed the tool, and now I will access the tool Jasper Studio. Okay. Now, when we'll start JasperStudio, you need a data source, because we'll print reports from data, and we need a sample data for using in our reports. Okay, so I will create a data source from IRIS app. Okay. I will choose a REST app. REST. IRIS REST API template, okay? IRIS REST API template. I will use this app to get the data and print my report. Is a good sample for this. Is a good project for this. So I will go to GitHub. Use these templates. No, codes. And I will do a git clone. cmd okay, I will choose any folder. You can use any folder to do this. Git clone. Okay, I downloaded the REST API templates. JIRIS REST API templates codes dots. Okay, I have a project to be the source, the database for my reports, and a app to generate a new reports in a REST API. Okay. I go to the terminal and I will execute docker compose app d -d. Okay, I'm up the iris. This iris is a iris community. It's a iris community, and we have in this iris a person that is a persistent class, and we have a populates class that will allow me generate this test data, produce fake test data. It's very good for our example. So we'll build a report with these properties: name, title, company, fund, DOB. Okay. Now we have a Docker queue, objective scripts, refresh connection. Okay, VS Code is connected with this iris running in this port. Connect the system. Now, can I run this class method add test data from person class? Running this class methods, I will create 10 or more rows in my person table. Okay, I will click debug. I will create 10 persons, enter. Okay, created. I have 10 persons. I will check it. I click on Docker IRIS. I go to the Swagger. System sys, persons all, try, execute. Okay, 10 persons here in my database. Okay. If go to management portal, management portal, go to the Explorer, SQL, tables, sample person, executes my 10 persons here. So I will copy the select. I will need it. Okay, I have a database for my report. I will back to JasperStudio, and I will go to repository Explorer and click right, create data adapter, and I will choose JDBC connection. JDBC connection, next. I will choose the IRIS JDBC driver, IRIS DB connection in name. JDBC driver for IRIS is, I will check in the documentation, IRIS JDBC class. Okay, JDBC driver Java, establish JDBC connections. Okay, and I use con.intersystems.jdbc.iris driver. Okay, con intersystems JDBC iris driver, and URL address for the database. URL, I will use this local database. I will check the ports. When I go to Docker and select IRIS REST API IRIS, I have a port for hosts. When I running the Jasper in Windows host, the super port is externally available in this port 51773. 51773. Username system _ system, password sys, but and the namespace user, but I need to set driver class paths for this JDBC connection. I need to download the DBC in my app. I have the link to download JIRISReports. I have the link for download IRIS DBC driver. You can click it. This is maintained by the InterSystems community, local to download DBC driver. I will choose Java 1.8, and you must download InterSystems JDBC jar. Click on it, and downloads. Downloaded. I will copy this file. I will copy this file for my project. Okay, it's not required to do this, but to be a reference. Okay, review file explorer. Okay, IRIS JDBC, InterSystems IRIS JDBC jar. In this folder, in my case. Okay, I will return to Studio, driver class path, adds, templates, InterSystems JDBC jar, open. Now I have a class path, and I have all I need to connect: driver, URL, username, password, test. Okay, successful. My JasperStudio is connected with InterSystems IRIS. Okay, finish. I have a connection. Okay, I will delete this and maintain my new connection here. Now I go to the Project Explorer, my reports. I will delete this sample. Is a past report. So I will go to the My Reports, click right, New, Jasper Report. You can use some templates, okay, but I will create a blank report, blank A4 report. Next, my report will person JIRISReport. Next, data adapter. You can choose IRIS DB connection. That is the connection we configured in the past tasks. And now when I scroll down, I see DC sample, I see the table person. I can drag person for here and write the selects from DC sample person. Okay, select star from DC sample person. Next, I will choose the database fields that I will use in my reports. Company, date of birth, name, phone. Okay, these 4 fields. Next, I will not use group by here, but in reports with group by, I choose the fields will be the group by for reports. Next, congratulations. Okay, I have a person reports. In Jasper reports, we use bands to design reports. So you have a title band when you design your report's title. with a logo and title and informations that will appear, will show to the user in first page only. Okay, I will drag and drop a static text, persons report. I can select the static text and change for Arial or another fonts and a new size here. I can expand here. Okay, center. Great. I will configure a border for this title on bottom and top and bottom. Okay. No new field here, so I can decrease the space for these bands. Now, heights for these bands. Now I will, if I have information that must be in all pages, in header of all pages in reports, this information will be in page header. But in our case, we don't need these bands. So I click the bands and press delete key, or I click right page header, delete. If in other moment you can return if the page header if you need. Click double click in page header. No. Okay. Click right page header, add bands. The page header come back, but I will delete. Okay. No page header for these reports. I have a columnar report, so this columnar header is good for our example. Column footer no, delete. Page footer no, and summary, that is a band for last page only, no. Okay, column header, detail, and title bands only. Now I have my fields here, so I drag and drop in detail, and the Jasper will create the label for the field in column header, and the field itself in detail band. Detail band is the section to fields, to data fields. So and the detail is repeated for each field, each row in the database. So we have 10 records in the table. So the detail will print it 10 times. Okay. I will adjust the size. Name. Okay. Name. Now company. Okay, company. company. Dates. Morrison, no? Dates. And font. Okay, font. You can align the fields. Click on all fields. Click right and align components, align top. Okay, all top in the same top X position. I can select all. Okay, this is a title. This is okay. Now I will format these fields, select all labels, and select Arial 14 and bold. Okay, I will select the fields, Arial 14. Okay. Rearrange field positions. Okay, and I will adjust the height of this band. Okay, I will save my report, and now I can preview the results. Preview. Okay, very beautiful report, no? Okay, very good, very good. Okay, text fields. Okay. Okay, no problem. This is my report. The focus is create a simple report and print here. Yet, and print it. Print it. So, I have a report, and now I want to print this report not in preview but inside IRIS app. So I will copy person JIRXML, click right, properties, location here. I will copy this. No, I will open this location, showing System Explorer. Okay, my person, and I will use Docker desktop. Expand here, click IRIS files, and I will expand home, iris owner, and dev folder, and I will drag and drop this file in this dev folder. Will copy. Now we have a person JXXML inside the folder, okay, in Docker. Now we will create in the sample new REST method to print the reports. Person rests here, a new house. I will copy this out and create a new house. In comments, all persons reports, and path will be reports, and calling gets person reports, okay, and I will create a new class method for this method. Class methods get person reports. Okay. Get person reports. All person reports. And I will implement the method to calling the Jasper and get a PDF and return for the user. But this app don't have a JIRISReport yet, so we'll use ZPM to install JIRISReport in this IRIS instance. So I will click Docker IRIS, go to the Open Terminal, IRIS Terminal in Docker. Click. In Terminal, we have an active session for a user namespace. I will type ZPM, enter. Now in the ZPM terminal in the user namespace. Okay. Now I will execute install JIRISReport, and I will set verbose parameter to see the status of the installation. Okay, install JIRISReport. Enter. You have to waiting some minutes for this installation because the file is big and will take some minutes to install JIRISReport for you. Okay. We'll install here, but while install, I will write the get person reports. I have a snippet with the code necessary for it. I will copy these snippets for you. Okay. When JIRISReport installed, this class will be valid class, okay? But when I print a report using Jasper, you'll need create a parameters, the JSON, because some reports have parameters to filter the data will be printed. So you must create a parameters, even is a report without filter. So you will call generate a report as file, and you need to set the database connection, the path for the source reports file, JIRXML file, will be person JIRXML file, and sets the path for the results of the reports. Person PDF. The last parameter will be parameters that can be used to filter your reports. Okay. So set the content type for this method application PDF, file person PDF, set header. Okay. Course allows all, and I will send the file in this directory, person PDF, into file, output to device. We will write the binary report here and return OK, and return OK. Okay. The JIRISReport is starting, but I have all implementation we need. You can save this file, go to the server. Okay, I have the report here. So again, you need to instantiate DC IRISReport, JIRISReport, call generate report as file, setting the path for database connection, path for JXML file, and path for outputs of the reports to use here to return the PDF for the caller. Person PDF, set header, course control, and I link it to the file, output to device, and send OK. Okay. The person, I will check if the paths are okay, because this iris is local, because it's local hosts. Internal port for this database is 1972. 1972. And the namespace where is the data is user. Okay, it's good for you. Okay. While styling, I will show you more information about my tool. I will go to the in the community InterSystems.com, you can find this sample of this video in article A in two parts, part 1, part 2, with all instructions that I talk to you today. Okay, all information. Okay, all steps that you see in this video in the article for you. All steps, as can you see here. And part 2 explain to you how to send JIRXML to Docker and run it from IRIS. Okay, all steps for you again. It's very good. I forgot to create the credentials. JIRISReport needs to define credentials because the report needs a user and password of the user. So I will create the credentials. To do this, okay, JIRISReport installed with success to you. As you can see, installing JIRISReport, model downloaded from PM community InterSystems.com, loaded, copied, installed to you. Okay, JIRISReport. This is a sample class if you need reference. Okay, compiling all classes and the JIRISReport jar. This is the binary file for my tool for using inside JIRIS here. Okay, so we need to set the credentials. Click Docker IRIS, open management portal, go to interoperabilities, configure credentials, and in ID we need to set this name, this name, report creds, okay, is required with this name, report creds, system _ system, password sys, save report creds. Remember, save. Now I will go to the Swagger UI. I will reload the page because we have a new method, report. When I go to into reports, try it out, executes. Our font Arial is not available in JVM. Okay, we need to install these fonts. The Docker is a Linux system, so we need to install this. In article, I talk about this. Okay. JDocker, installation, credentials, REST API, report, creating data and get report. Okay. No. In part 1. Part 1, yes. Part 1. You need this to install in your Docker the TTF fonts is required. So if you not install the fonts, you get error. So I will copy this and add to my Docker file. Okay. Yes. I need the user hoots to install it. Yes. And user. Yes, a package management user. So save this Docker file, and we will be required to again rebuild this Docker image. So I will go to PowerShell, Docker compose builds. And I will require it because I rebuilding the image. I will require it to do some tasks again, including starting JIRISReport again using VPN. No problem. I will do it again, but I will cut from this video because you see it's Docker compose app T no problem, creating Docker compose started. Okay, refresh connection. Okay, I will go to person class and run edge test data debug 10 enter. Okay, 10 fields, 10 rows on our tests. Click Docker IRIS terminal in Docker, ZPM enter, install JIRISReport, enter. And while installing, I will set the credentials again. Docker IRIS, Open Management Portal, configure, interoperability, config, credentials, report, no, part 2, report creds, no, part 2. Report credentials will be report creds, underscore system, password sys, save. Okay, I will be in SQL Explorer and check with the data. Sample person executes 10 rows here. Okay. JIRISReport installed. If I change my file with a space and save, overwrite on server to recognize my class is here. When I click inside generate report as file, you can see an internal implementation. This my iris, my JIRISReport to instantiate a Java gateway and set the path for JIRISReport jar. This is my tool for print Jasper reports. Instantiate the class, the Java class. Get the report creds with the username and password. If the password's empty, I test it. I set sys. And if the format docx will generate Word file. If not, will generate PDF file, and will generate PDF file. Okay, because the last argument for this method is format, but the default value is PDF. Okay, this is very interesting for a next video. Okay, so I will execute the Swagger again. Swagger, report, tryouts, executes. I will get a PDF now. Okay, executed. Okay, click download file. And I have my report here. Okay, 10 persons here. Very good, no? I will print a Word report. I will change here. docx. And What is the contents type for ROR? I will see now. Contents type docx. Content type docx. MIME type. No. docx application. docx. This is the content type is this. And person docx. Person docx. Person docx. Saving. Go to Swagger. Again, report, try, execute. Download file, Word, docx for you. You click, and you have a Word report. Very good, no? Okay, this is my video about reporting in IRIS. It's a simple report, but you can write any report in Jasper, advanced reports, and running inside InterSystems IRIS. Many thanks, community.